Alright guys, we're at Clearwater Beach because I want to go to the beach and Izzy needs something to do. Not a big fan of this area. Just because it's very touristy area. And I do not like that. It's because it's always packed. This is a Monday. This is the bathroom. Basic. Usually not very, very clean, but thought I'd show you. Okay, here we are. He thinks he a big kid. I think I wore the wrong shoes. Yeah, I threw Izzy's away. Well, I threw half of it. I still gotta throw it away from the closet. I threw his mask away. Well, yeah, so this is a tourist area, and I really would like to take Izzy. Babe, I want to take Izzy over there to the inflatables. Oh, duh! Nuh-uh. It's just no one's on it. I wore my nice shoes. Izzy, you know you can do it. I see him do this by himself. He acting crazy.
Your foot, I guess you're stronger in your right foot.
Oh yeah, he's right-handed. Right-footed and right-handed.
Okay, your foot right here. Your foot right here. Your foot. Come on. This foot right here. This foot right here. No.
He said, "Hi, Mama." I know.
Come on.
I can't get in there. I go on the slide. Come on, Izzy. my butt can't fit. I'm stuck. My butt won't fit. He didn't even care I did it. Hey, look, there's a sandbox. I know you like to play in sand, so there you go. We should have brought his sand stuff. Well, I knew because yesterday I was going to pack all that up because I thought we would go to the beach, you know. Kid's waiting for his mama just like Izzy does. Like, mama gonna fix it.
Yeah, come on, fill it up. Fill up the box. Come on, we're gonna be here all day. Fill it up. Fill it up. Come on, fill it up.
If he had his bucket, we wouldn't. I wonder if I could climb that. Come on, Izzy. Thanks for the support. Woo. 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 Kick him! Kick him! Not too sunny. That's how I like it sometimes. Uh-oh. Sorry, Izzy. Let me help you. Why does he have a tag on the outside of his shirt? Okay. Be careful. It's too high. You're too young. Come down.
Sit down. Right there. Take a picture.
Take a picture.
Take a picture.
Oh.
You can sit in. Take a picture, Mama.
Okay. They block them? Uh-uh. Where?
Right there. Miss recording right there.
Oh, what the heck? Wonder why. Well, it looks like the slide is blocked off for some reason. Not sure why. And these ones are too. Slides are blocked. Never seen that before. Ouch. Be careful on this sand. Hey! There he is! Can you... Oh my gosh, that's blocked off too! Izzy, you probably should leave your shoes on because this stuff... Here, bring my shoes, baby. This stuff all in the sand. Here, put your shoes back on. It's gonna hurt your feet. Over here, it's not light near the ocean. The ocean takes it all. Hello. Is it a prison? Or it's all about perspective, okay?
And the stores. The stores. Big stores. New stores. Stores stay us.
What is he saying?
Stores. The next stores.
Good job.
Fine.
Okay, so I still got Izzy over here at the park. I don't know if y'all can see him, but they're right there, and he's climbing with his daddy, and I'm taking a break because I have no energy right now. And it's pretty peaceful to an extent. There's way too many people here for a Monday. But like I said, that's what you're gonna get at these tourist places. So I'm just letting you know that. Yes, there's a lot to do down here, but for me, not my cup of tea. I'd rather be at a more a beach where there's not people. Very low amount. So just know that, guys, you're gonna come. For us, this was close to where we are as well, so. Now, if I can get Izzy away from the playground, then maybe I could see the beach water, because I've actually never swam here either. And now that is full, like down there is full of people. Like, I think this is full, but everybody at the beach. I'll show y'all in a little bit, hopefully. The nightly sunset celebration features artisans, street performers, and world famous pier 60 sunsets. Join us from 2 hours before until 2 hours after sunset every evening, weather permitting. We gotta catch up with them. Look at how full this beach is on a Monday. Horrible. Like, literally, this is probably our second time coming here because I absolutely do not like it. But I'm trying to see the good in it. I get to actually see the beach and walk the pier. Hey, did you see that sign? It says that every night, as long as the weather's okay, that they have festivals every night. Here. 2 hours before sunset and 2 hours after. So for 4 hours every night. When we gonna see? I was just saying how I don't like coming here. But, you know, I do like the farmer's market type things. Got Izzy some ice cream, vanilla, soft serve yogurt. Huh? Ice cream. Yummy, yummy. We walked the pier, but once you get to a certain point, it does cost money. I will let y'all know that. $3. I don't know if that was $3 a person or just $3 as a group, but we did not do it. We walked as far as we could.
You done?
He wants to feed himself, probably.
Here.
You want to feed yourself?
Here's a spoon.
Okay, let's wipe your face. That's all you want? I gotta wipe your face first. What? Let me see. Don't let him go. That's what Daddy said. Don't let him go. Can you open it? Trash. Hurry.